What can really feel extra irritating than having a cough? All over sleep, the frame regulates our manufacturing of cytokines, signaling proteins our immune methods produce to combat off invading pathogens similar to viruses and microorganisms, says Vontrelle Roundtree, MD, Affiliate Leader Clinical Officer at MDLIVE of Evernorth. Coughing might also purpose dry throat and mouth, postnasal drip, and bodily discomfort that makes for a less than peaceful sleep, revel in, Roundtree says. Middle of the night coughing can occur and really feel worse for lots of causes. The act of mendacity down may cause the reflux to worsen, after which, after all, you might cough extra, says Sarah McBane, PharmD, Affiliate Dean of Pharmacy Training on the College of California, Irvine College of Pharmacy. Whilst this herbal reaction is helping combat off the microorganism making you unwell, it might also purpose lots of our in poor health signs right through that point, similar to congestion, fever, and greater midnight coughing. Keep hydrated. You'll be able to do that by means of ingesting water as ceaselessly as vital and consuming water-rich meals like melons, pineapples, strawberries, and oranges. Drink natural tea with honey and lemon. Honey is helping coat the throat and save you inflammation and the cough reflex. Take honey. Believe herbal or in the neighborhood grown honey is an advantage, she says. Cough drops. They purpose the mouth to provide extra saliva, thus coating the throat and serving to with itching sensations. Have a steamy bathe. Take a steamy bathe sooner than bedtime to alleviate your cough and assist your frame calm down for a greater evening sleep. Take into consideration what and whilst you consume. Meals prime in fiber, water, and alkaline can beef up your signs. Check out OTC medicines for GERD. Some OTC medicine choices come with antacids like Tums or medicines that block the manufacturing of acid like famotidine, Pepcid, or omeprazole, Prilosec, McBane says. Take an antihistamine. Antihistamine medicines, which assist with hypersensitive reactions, is also helpful for midnight cough because of postnasal drip. Lie along with your head raised. Only a slight tilt is sufficient to let gravity stay the tummy acid within the abdomen. Use a humidifier. If the cough is because of dry air, believe a humidifier. In case your coughing is because of hypersensitive reactions, reducing down the choice of allergens round you might assist save you it. Believe over-the-counter, OTC, medicine. One who comprises dextromethorphan could be best possible to dam the cough reflex, whilst one containing pseudoephedrine can assist forestall greater midnight postnasal drip. They may be able to assist you to determine the reason for your cough and deal with the underlying factor. Thanks for watching.